Lysander, where are we?
Zion National Park.
Zion National Park is an amazing place to explore. When you drive in, the world starts looking more and more like you're on a different planet.
Really tall mountains, you guys.
We stayed the night on Springdale, Utah, which is just outside of Zion National Park. And even from right there, the view is breathtaking. We explored around a bit and went into a gem and mineral store and explored all the rocks and crystals.
That one is a little over half a pound. That would only be about $2.
Wow! That's gonna be a huge...
Let's see how much that one is. Whoa! Okay, so that one, how much does that one weigh, guys?
A lot.
What can you see?
About 3.5.
3.5 pounds. Okay, Lai, let's do some math. What's 3.5 times 4?
Up to 3.
Yeah. Okay, so try 3 times 4. You know this. What's 3 times 4?
Okay.
You can do it.
Sometimes I just need a little bit of time to think.
Okay, that's fair.
Let's check out the blue rock.
You're doing it.
12.
Okay,
Yeah.
so but 3.5 times 4 would be...
12.5.
No, actually, what's half of 4?
Half of 4 is 2.
So what's 12 plus 2?
14.
The next day we drove into the park and began our adventure.
We're gonna hike around here, and Dad's gonna have the camera, and we're gonna see around and stuff.
We didn't get to stay too long or explore too far, but we did get to see some amazing mountains.
Zadie.
Fishing the river.
Hi, baby.
Yep.
Do it, Bailey. Love beach sand. Dad, it feels like beach sand.
A main feature of the 229 square mile park is Zion Canyon, which is 15 miles long and up to 2,640 feet deep.
Lila, are you walking on Mars?
Yeah. On this red sand. Under a big rock.
Look at all the layers in the rocks, you guys.
The canyon walls are reddish and tan-colored Navajo sandstone, eroded by the North Fork of the Virgin River. We got to hike down to part of the river and play in the ice-cold water.
Me and Claire are gonna climb on rocks.
It was like a day at the beach.
You got it. Ow! Wow!
A large bird landed on a rock right in front of us. Mama thinks it was a great blue heron. After drying off, it was back to exploring and seeing the sights. Boy, did it make us feel small, like ants on an anthill. Driving further in the park made the sights get more and more amazing and different from anything we've ever seen. We left the park wanting to one day come back and explore it even more and stay a little longer. But this trip was heading to Kansas, so we only stayed half a day.
Look at this. The meat?
On to our next stop. See you in our next Kids Safari episode. Be sure to like us, subscribe, and hit the bell button to be notified of our new episodes.